How to share a post on Facebook. So it's actually relatively easy. In order to do that, you can just find in here a post that you want to share. So for example, let's post or share this particular post about this K-pop group. You can head over and see as we have in here this share option. So you can click on that and then you can head over and click on this share now. So if you have a friend that actually shared something or posted something, it actually depends of them if they want it to be shared. So for example, let me show you some examples. So in here, I have in here this person, and if they have a post and it's public right here, you can actually share it. But if you have a friend that has a post that is not public, you can share it as well. So just figure out the actual privacy in order to let you know if you can share a post. So that's how you share a post on Facebook. Hope we help.